Hello traders, Dan here. Let's take a look at the markets on this crazy reversal day on April 21. Now when I did the recording on this bar, which Friday was off, well actually this was Monday, so we had a crazy reversal bar here, and that gave us a bullish bias. That this is what we call a bull sandwich, which is a big fat green bar sandwiched between two big fat engulfing red bars. That's a very bearish pattern that has high likelihood of follow through to the downside, particularly with this big price void. So we actually were shocked that it didn't follow through, and then with this big crazy bar on April 19th here, that it was a closing breakout. But we've been saying in our pre-market in the green room that we didn't expect a lot of upside because, number one, there's no pattern. There's no bullish pattern here. Number two, we had this bearish consolidation. We got you can see the 20 and the 200 right here in alignment with resistance. And today it had a bullish gap up. And we did not expect this bearish action. If anybody tells you they did, I would say they're full of you know what. I mean, this had a bullish gap up here. The tick opened up at 1300, which typically is a bullish sign for continuations on pullbacks. We had a little reversal bar here right on minor support. And look at this. There are not two green consecutive 15-minute bars in a row all day long. This is very bearish engulfing reversal bar. It leaves a price void because of the momentum move down on the intraday time frame, which I just showed you. So we are in shorting the bounce mentality, provided, using our retracement concepts, that it doesn't retrace over 50% into this bar. So it would be a gap up, maybe shorting 5-10 minute low tomorrow. It would be a bearish 1, 2, 3 continuation. Tomorrow's Friday, or that we'd be shorting next week. But we still have this big price void, and we're still bearish with many of the things that my partner Greg's been warning about in the weekend letters and in the pre-market with the weakening transports, the yield curve, inflation, so on and so forth. And in the green room, he actually looked at a number of ETFs, foreign country ETFs, and he made the comment right at the close. It's like, this is suggesting like a meltdown. So folks, danger, if you're long. We stopped out a couple of our bullish positions today. But we at least were smart enough to put on a number of bearish trades. So in the swing and options trader, and in last night's video, I actually reviewed a bunch of these. I said, look, even though the market's up, if these trigger, they're weak. We're shorting them today, which we did. So let's go through them. We gave 6 directional bearish shorts in the swing and options trader this morning. All of them are highly profitable. We started taking partial profits on some of them. We sold some credit spreads on some. But look, this was a bull sandwich breakdown. Zulu Zillow Group breakdown daily, weekly. Look at this crazy nasty downtrend. It's a breakdown on the daily and weekly. So we covered a third. We're managing a half. Daku here, breakdown, sell setup and reversal on the weekly. Snow we shorted, just a kind of a continuation breakdown. Target somewhere over here. Well, maybe we would love another day of weakness, and we'll cover tomorrow. Dash, a little bull sandwich there. Breakdown, price void, sell setup, 180 reversal on the weekly. There were so many beautiful short setups today. It was like a mania. Another bull sandwich here, breakdown, sell setup. They were all over the place. So we shorted that. We shorted Roku. Same. Not a bull sandwich, but green bar ignored. Breakdown. We're short that. Greg did dunking he gave. He shorted that. T-Doc wasn't short. He gave, there were so many. It was a field day of shorts. And the weekly options trader, we went through the same list. We gave Zoom call spread, looks great. Dash call spread, Snow call spread. The other ones were either too illiquid or they had earnings next week, which is why we did not give those. So that's it. That's our bias. Those are our trades. We're bearish and looking to short compelling setups on bounces. So be careful out there if you're on the bull side, folks. Any questions, email Greg or me, and we'll see you tomorrow for 0 DTE option selling day in the Telegram. Good trading.